Hey guys, Brian and Jeff with WorkshopAddict.com, and we have a cool Bluetooth speaker here from DEWALT. This is a job site speaker, as DEWALT calls it, but I see it used in so many different locations that you can't imagine.
Poolside, boat, anywhere you can imagine.
We used it a boatload camping. Before we get too far into this, let's tell you its model number DCR010. But back to our camping little project, we did some riding over the last weekend. Probably had 12, 13 hours on it over 3 days.
Easily. I mean, we started out with a 5 amp hour battery and easily 4 hours a day, and we still have bar left on it.
And I think what makes this unit stand apart a little bit is you can use it with the 12 volt DEWALT batteries, the 20 volt DEWALT batteries, the FLEXVOLT batteries, or it comes with a cord that you can plug in just behind where the battery goes. So you have all kinds of uses for it. It does have a USB port on the side, so you can charge your phone with any of the batteries listed or the cord. You can also run a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input into it, so you can play music with that without being wireless. Bluetooth range on this thing?
It's stated on the box, 100-foot range, but I think we more than doubled that.
This was impressive. Very impressive. Just to start out, we went from one end of the shop to the other and got about 85 feet between us, no issues. And we had cars, lifts, half walls, lots of metal stuff in here, nothing. So, you took it upon yourself to walk outside, which put garage doors and 3 walls between us.
And I still made it over 100 foot outside the shop.
Which is crazy. And I was sitting there messing with the radio. I can hear
and
you
were
walking
in the back of the shop, so we were pulling way over 200 feet.
Bluetooth technology here, I'm impressed. These radios get speakers. There's no radio. These speakers get better and better and better. And that's one thing that we consistently talk about when we go to a job site or we see a job site where someone has a radio inside, even inside our shop, they can't get any stations.
I know it's hard to draw all that off of your phone all the time, but
that's why I think it's nice that they have a charger. So, no joke, in my house, everyone has an Apple phone. They're always hooked up to the charger. It seems like when they get older, even now some of the Android smartphones, they just need to have power to them constantly. So it's nice that you can charge through the USB and feed back some sort of MP3, Pandora. They even have there's all kinds of apps that you can get music on your phone. I think that's great for the guys who are on the job site, but I think that this size is going to go with people so many other places.
Yeah, it is small. It's only 4.5, 4.25 pounds, versatile, and the couple different phone
storage places,
storage, whatever.
Yeah. And I think that's a huge thing that sets this unit apart specifically for the job site, is that you have a place to protect your phone underneath the handle, or if you're going to look at your phone, you have a place to just throw it up, and you can put it in multiple different positions so you can see what's going on. You got a text message, something goes off, you can be like, yeah, I want to deal with that. No, I don't want to deal with it. You can be close to it. But that gives this unit, to me, some job site usability. Overall, noise level, sound level, it's not the tough system.
It's a small system, but it's got good sound to it.
Very good sound. It's it's not like the best Bluetooth speaker we've ever.
But even last weekend camping,
it's more than what you need.
We didn't have it turned up. Everybody's complaining it's too loud, so
right.
It does have very good sound quality.
There's no subwoofer. I'm kind of joking about the best stuff. You get so spoiled with some of the new job site radios. The DEWALT Tough system is still one of the bigger radios on the market that's hard to compare to. It's got a subwoofer on the bottom. The thing just rocks. I don't know how many people have it cranked all the time because they might be awkward on a job site. But I know a lot of guys who have those and are camping or taking them out with them and absolutely love the sound. And I think that if you get this unit for the size of the Bluetooth speaker that you have, you won't be disappointed in the sound quality. It's going to give you enough noise to easily fill the shop louder than what you would want. So if you had a 50 by 70 work area, you could make it so that you're not going to comfortably talk to the other people you're working with.
I agree with that.
So if you're looking for something cool, something yellow and black, and you have a lot of DEWALT batteries, be it the 12 volt, flex volt, everything but their 40 volt line, you can plug it into this, play some tunes, and charge your phone. So make sure you check us out, not only on YouTube, make sure you're subscribing here and have your notifications on, but also on social media. We thank you guys for your support. Let us know in the bottom what you do for different types of music. Do you go for a radio? Do you go for some sort of Bluetooth thing, Pandora? What's your music of choice? Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.